अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये सरकार किसी और का रिकॉर्ड बनाए ना बनाए, लेकिन पेपर लीक का रिकॉर्ड जरूर ये सरकार बनाएगी। बिना ये मंत्री जी रहेंगे तो न्याय नहीं मिलेगा बच्चों को। अध्यक्ष महोदय, ये सरकार किसी और का रिकॉर्ड बनाए ना बनाए, लेकिन पेपर लीक का रिकॉर्ड जरूर ये सरकार बनाएगी। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मुझे इसके बैकग्राउंड में नहीं जाना है कि पूछें। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मुझे बैकग्राउंड में नहीं जाना है कि कब कैसे किस संस्था को बनाया गया है। पूरे देश के छात्र इस पे आंदोलित थे। लगातार अखबार और सीबीआई की जांच के बाद चीजें सामने आ रही हैं, लोग पकड़े जा रहे हैं, जेल भेजे जा रहे हैं। मैं अध्यक्ष महोदय आपके माध्यम से पूछना चाहता हूं मंत्री जी से, क्या सेंटर वाइज जिन बच्चों को सबसे ज्यादा नंबर मिले हैं, क्या उसकी सूची जारी करेंगे? 30,000 सीटें जहां हैं, कई सेंटर अध्यक्ष महोदय ऐसे हैं जहां 2,000, 2,500 बच्चे पास हो गए हैं। सरकारी सीटें 30,000 हैं, कई सेंटर में 2,000 से ज्यादा पास हो गए। कई प्रदेश के ऐसी जगह है जहां पर कुछ सेंटर से 600 से 650 से ज्यादा सबसे ज्यादा नंबर हैं। और अगर वो संस्था इतनी क्रेडिबल थी तो अध्यक्ष महोदय जिन सेंटर्स पे ये परीक्षा हुई उन सेंटर्स का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्या था? क्या मंत्री जी ने जानकारी की थी इस बात की? अध्यक्ष महोदय, मेरे आपके माध्यम से एक ही निवेदन है कि बिना ये मंत्री जी रहेंगे तो न्याय नहीं मिलेगा बच्चों को।
स्पीकर सर, इट्स ऑब्वियस टू द होल कंट्री, it's obvious to the whole country that there is a very serious problem in our examination system. This is not just a question of NEET, it is in all the major examinations. Now, the minister has blamed everybody except himself, right? I don't even think he understands the fundamentals of what is going on here.
आप प्रश्न क्या है आपका?
आ रहा हूँ सर। ये मैं क्वेश्चन को सेटअप कर रहा हूं। इसलिए प्रश्न पूछते हैं। ये the issue is that there are millions of students in this country who are extremely concerned at what is going on and who are convinced that the Indian examination system is a fraud. That is what is at stake here. Millions of people believe that if you are rich and if you have money, you can buy the Indian examination system. And by the way, and this is the same feeling that the people in the opposition have. And that is why we are asking some very simple questions to Honorable Minister. Number one, as this is a systemic issue, what exactly are you doing to fix this issue at a systemic level? Yes. That's the first question.
The member has raised a question regarding question paper leak in last 7 years, 70 times. Sir, with full responsibility, I would like to submit in front of House, through you, sir, there is no evidence of paper leak in last 7 years in any numbers. So there are incidents. Already this case, right now, Speaker sir, this case is going in front of Honorable Supreme Court. All the things has come out. Every question has put in front of Supreme Court. Honorable CJI is personally presiding over that bench, and with full responsibility I can say, in last, after NTA, more than 240 examination has been conducted. More than 5 crore students has been applied, and more than 4.5 crore students successfully participated in the examination. These are the all fact and records.
Supplementary.
Sir, in light of the severe breach in the examination process and the significant impact of over 24 lakh students, does the minister accept the responsibility for these failures? Given the gravity of the situation, to uphold accountability and integrity of the office, will the minister consider resigning?
Speaker sir, I am here on the mercy of my leader, Prime Minister Sahab. So, whenever accountability comes, my government is collectively answerable to that. So, regarding anomalies and some information of malpractices, yes, Speaker Sahab, in the out of 4,700 centers, only due to proactive approach of Bihar police, only in one place in Patna and surroundings points, there is an incident of anomaly. Central Bureau of Investigation is getting into the details. Some action has been taken. Nothing is when hiding nothing. Everything is on record. Only singularly one incident is there. That is in around of Patna, and Bihar police and CBI are proactively taking action on that.